welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my shoe collection as many of you wanted me to share my shoes. So here I am. Just a disclaimer, I'm not trying to do any kind of show off. I love shoes and especially heels. So these are all the pairs that I have been collecting since past 3 years. Like I have been staying in Georgia, so most of my shoes are from Georgia. So I'll make sure to link similar pieces links in the description box below. In case if you want them, you can like get your hands on them. And if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So as the clips will be going on, I'll make sure to add a tag of must-haves. Like if a particular shoes is something which you should also have, then I'll add a tag of must-have. So do check that out, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
So starting off with the sneakers, the very first pair of sneakers that I have are this one from Skechers. I bought them almost 3 to 4 years ago and they are still in a really good condition. If you don't have any sports shoes, then please get yourself one because sports shoes are like the comfiest shoes ever. So the second pair of sneakers that I have are this basic white pair of sneakers. If you don't own any white sneakers, please get yourself one because white sneakers go with any and every outfit. And you will thank me later because with one pair of white sneakers, you can create multiple looks. Like you can style them during day and also at nights. And you can make the most use out of it. I got mine from Corso Italia, but I'll make sure to link similar piece links in the description box. Now, if you're someone who loves following trends, then you will know that chunky sneakers are all over the internet. So I got this one from Uno Shoes and I was going to get one in plain white, but I thought why get plain? So I got this which has a pop of yellow, orange, black and white, and they go with almost every outfit and I love them. So now on to the next sneakers. The next one you should must have in your wardrobe are these basic black sneakers. Like they go with every and any outfit just like white sneakers. And the plus point about my sneakers is they are of cloth fabric so you can wash them and wear them. And I got mine from LC Waikiki. The next pair of shoes is not exactly sneakers. It is this black pair of shoes that I got from Corso Italia, and by the condition you can see that I have worn them a lot and I love them. Like they are so comfy and you don't have to like think more on how to style them because they go with every and any outfit. So the last pair of shoes that I have are this navy blue colored one. The main thing that grabbed my attention towards it was the bohemian jute fabric which is going all over, and these shoes are also of cloth material, like you can wash them and wear them in multiple ways. I got mine from Uno Shoes. So now on to the boots. I have 4 different types of boots. The first one is this compact boots in black color. If you don't have any boot, then please invest in something like this because these boots you can wear them in summers as well as winters and create multiple looks. And these boots look really simple but they add a lot to your outfit. I got mine from Koton and I'll make sure to link similar one in the description box. In case if you want them, please get your hands on them. So the second pair of boots that I have are this ankle length zipper black boots, and I love the embellishment which it has on it, and I almost wear them daily. Like even though they have a heel, but they are so comfy and so classy and I love them. I got this one from Corso Italia again. So the next pair of boots that I have are this white colored compact boots, and if you want you can even invest in like a white colored one if you don't like black. I got this one from Uno Shoes. This one is my recent purchase and I can't wait to style them in different ways, and I love them. Like they look so cool and they're so comfy at the same time. So the last pair of boots that I have are this thigh high boots in black color. I got this one from Shein and I recently created a lookbook using them. If you want, you can check it out. I'll make sure to link it in the description box. And talking about these boots, even though they have a high heel, but they are so comfy and they look really good. And they also have a tie-up thing behind, so that's a plus point for it. And I really love them. So now on to the heels. I'm a completely heels person. I love wearing heels, and the very first pair of heels that I have are this neon colored snake print pumps or stilettos, whatever you call them. I got this one from Corso Italia and I love the print on it. Like, I love animal prints. So I thought let's get it. And if you ask me which is that one extra pair of shoes in your collection, then I would say this one it is. I haven't wore them that much, but I love them a lot. So the next pair of heels is something you should must have in your closet, and it is this black colored pumps. I got this one from LC Waikiki, and if you're not that heel person but if you want to invest in one pair of heels, then I would say go for this one because you can wear them almost with any and every outfit and create multiple looks. And I know, like, after every pair of heels or shoes or whatever it is, I'm trying to say that you can create multiple looks, but I love investing in pieces with which you can create different looks even though they are basic color. The next pair of pumps are this nude color one. I got this one from Corso Italia, and if you don't want to invest in a black colored one, then you can also go for this one because they also go with almost anything and everything, and they look so sleek and so good. So now on to the next pair of heels. The next one are this black strappy heels. I got this one from H&M and I have been using them a lot. Like, I have worn them almost hundreds of times and they are still in a really good condition. If you want to invest in something like this, then please go ahead and get yourself one because you can wear them with every and any outfit. Strappy heels make your legs look slimmer and they kind of adds a lot to your outfit. So the next pair of heels that I have is also a strappy one and it is in the nude color. I love the pom-pom that it has on the straps, and this is one of the tallest heel that I have. I got this one from Forever 21 and I haven't worn it that much because it is really like tall, but I love the way it looks. It's so simple and so cute. Just a tip, whenever you purchase heels, make sure to invest in neutral colors because neutral colors go with everything. So now on to the last pair of heels. The last one that I have is this transparent one. I got this one also from Shein a long back, but I haven't worn it yet. I don't know why because I love them and I don't want to spoil them. But if you want to invest in heels, then you can also go for transparent ones because they go with everything. Like, when you are in doubt, go for transparent heels. So now on to the last section of my shoe collection, and it is none other than flats. I love wearing flats, and the very first pair of flats that I have is this white strappy one. I got this one from a local store and this is how it looks like. Now on to the next pair of flats. Now if you have one flats in white color, then you will obviously have one in black, and the one that I have is from Uno shoes. I love the bids that it has on its strap and I love it. It's simple and it's so good. So the next pair of flats are this white colored mules. I got this one from Shein and I love them, like, because of its color they go with a lot of things. You can wear it for your office or you can also wear it for your college and create different looks. So the next pair of flats that I have are this one in black color. I love the glossy effect that it has, and I also love the bow thing which is going on. I got this one from Corso Italia, and you can also wear them for parties. Like, they have kind of glossy fabric, so you can wear them at night too. So the second last pair of flats that I have are this metallic silver colored one. I also got this one from Corso Italia, and I love the metallic color that it has. Like, you can wear them on Indian outfits as well as Western outfits, and I have been wearing them since past 3 years and they are still in a really good condition. Now on to the last pair of flats. The last one are this juttis. I got this one from a local market in Hyderabad, like near Charminar, and I love them. Like, they are so simple, and the fun fact about this is they don't have a right and left thing. Like, you can wear them in any leg and they look similar.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you want me to do a particular styling video on a particular pair of shoes, like in case sneakers or boots or anything, then do let me know your suggestions in the comments below. I will love to do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.